Welcome to my study channel friends. Today we are going to discuss CTET previous year exam one-liner question answers. Topic is social studies oblique science. These are most important questions. So without wasting time, let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is the earliest manuscripts were written on. Answer is palm leaves. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 2. What do BC and AD stands for? Answer is before Christ and Anno Domini. Let's move to question number 3. Question number 3 is which of the following is a characteristic manuscript? Answer is it is an old book written by hand. Let's move to next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is which object can archaeologists find which may be made of stone? Here three options are there friends. A is remains of buildings, paintings and sculpture. B is tool, weapons and ornaments found by excavations. C is coins, pots and pans found beneath the surface of earth, यानी कि ज़मीन के नीचे से जो हमें मिलते हैं. Friends, in the exam if only one option is there you have to choose that option, but in case all three options are there then you have to choose the answer all of the above, because this question was very important, so I have mentioned here. Let's move to next question, that is question number 5. Of what subjects were book not written in ancient days? आंसर इज मर्डर मिस्ट्रीज, यानी कि मर्डर मिस्ट्रीज के ऊपर जो है बुक्स नहीं लिखी जाती थी पुराने समय में. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग पीरियडाइजेशन इन हिस्ट्री? आंसर इज demarcating of time into different unequal periods based on the occurrence of some significant events. Let's move to next question, that is question number 7. Friends, ये जो वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस हैं आई होप बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होंगे आपके लिए एग्ज़ाम में, बिकॉज इन केस आपने जो है एक या दो बार इसको रीड किया है तो ये जो है अंडरस्टूड है कि भाई 90% जो है आपको एग्ज़ाम में पक्का जो है ऑप्शन देख के याद आ जाएगी कि दिस इज़ द राइट ऑप्शन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज डैश गिव्स द करेक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ colonization इन हिस्ट्री. आंसर इज व्हेन वन कंट्री conquers another it brings about changes in its society. So फिलअप्स में जो है आएगा when one country conquers another it brings about changes in its society. तो ये जो है इसका मीनिंग है. Okay, let's move to question number 8. The year 2012 can also be written as. Friends, answer is AD 2012. Let's move to next question, that is question number 9. What is comma era? Answer is Christian era accepted by the major part of the world. So let's move to next question, that is question number 10. In the middle of the 19th century, British historians divided history of India into three periods: Hindu India, Muslim India and British India. What is the basis of this division? उन्होंने जो है हिंदू इंडिया, मुस्लिम इंडिया और ब्रिटिश इंडिया के नाम पे जो है इसके इनका जो है मतलब डिवाइड किया था इसको. तो व्हाट इज़ द बेसिस ऑफ दिस डिवीज़न? इसको बांटने का जो है क्या बेस था? सो द आंसर इज इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन द आइडिया दैट रिलीजन ऑफ द रूलर वाज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्टोरिकल चेंज. सो आपने ये ऑप्शन जो है याद रखना है, अगर एग्जाम में आता है तो प्लीज़ टिक दिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज द डिवीजन ऑफ द पीरियड ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री इनटू एनिशिएंट, मध्यवल एंड मॉडर्न आल्सो हैज़ प्रॉब्लम. डैश इज़ वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम इन इट. ये ऑप्शन जो दिए होंगे उसमें से अगर ये वाला है तो आपने जो है इसको टिक करना है. क्या ऑप्शन है? द कॉन्सेप्ट हैज़ बीन borrowed फ्राम द बेस्ट वेयर मॉडर्न पीरियड वाज एसोसिएटेड विद साइंस, रीजन, डेमोक्रेसी, लिबर्टी एंड इक्विटी. Let's move to next question, that is question number 12. Why would you ask questions on historical imagination? Answer is it encourages comparison with the present. Question number 13 is an archive is a place where. Most important question. Answer is historical manuscripts and documents are kept. An archive इज़ अ प्लेस, ये ऐसी जगह होती है यहाँ पे हिस्टोरिकल मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है वो रखे जाते हैं। लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। हिस्ट्री विल हेल्प यू, किस में हेल्प करती है? और आंसर इज अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द प्रेजेंट इवॉल्व्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर उसके बारे में है, बी पार्ट है इसका, अंडरस्टैंड द वर्किंग ऑफ आवर फिजिकल एंड सोशल वर्ल्ड, सी इज कंपेयर द पास्ट विद द प्रेजेंट। फ्रेंड्स, these three are the answers of the above question. So in the exam, I again tell you that in the exam, if only one option is there, you have to choose that option, but in case all three options are there, then you have to choose all of the above. So let's move to next question, that is question number 15. Ostriches were found in India during Paleolithic age. Answer is Paleolithic age. Next question, large quantities of ostrich eggs were found at. Answer is Patni. Question number 17. Balan Valley is situated in. Friends, important question है ये भी. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 18. A historical site is a site where. Historical site जो है हम बोलते तो हैं कि यार historical site है, but what is historical site? Answer is relics of the past are found. Answer है relics of the past are found. Question number 20 and last question of this session. Bhimteka in Madhya Pradesh क्या है ये? Paleolithic site है. So friends, we have completed 20 questions here. Thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Once again, thank you. Bye bye.